Hi, I'm Austin Zimmerman, product specialist here at Sawblade.com, and welcome back to another product overview. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at our 7-inch thin steel QSaw blade. The 7-inch thin steel blade is specialized for our Trajan Q700, and it allows you to excel in light-duty steel applications in 1/8 inch and under. This blade is an excellent solution for users who are cutting thin-walled materials requiring flawless cuts. All QSaw blades feature a laser cut body, which produces less distortion over the traditional stamp blades, providing a true spinning blade with extended blade life. They also feature a premium triple chip grind carbide, giving you up to 20 times the life over your conventional abrasive disc. Before purchasing your QSaw blade, check the designated RPM to ensure that your machine runs within the manufacturer's specifications. To upgrade your machine with our industrial line of QSaw blades, log on to www.Sawblade.com, where you'll find all your sawing needs from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. And don't forget to check out Sawblade.tv for all your hands-on tech tips, sawing solutions, and much more. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thanks for watching. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.